This is a slice of a meteorite called a Urelite, and it's one of the most fascinating meteorite types we've ever come across. It actually contains microscopic diamonds. Let's learn a little bit more about it and meet NWA 15484. Urelites are thought to have been formed in the mantle of differentiated bodies from the early solar system. So we're talking about things like protoplanets that were probably destroyed due to some cosmic impact event. Now, because Urelites come from stones that are in the mantle of these differentiated bodies, that means they are in high pressure environments. So there's a lot to learn from them about the effects of pressure on the formation of planets like ours and others. Now, they're also really unique because they have a high carbon content. That's one of the reasons they're so dark, is the carbon that's present in them. And if you know about carbon, then you know that under high pressure events it can also form diamonds. That's exactly what is contained in some of these Urelites. Due to the high pressure and the shock events of the impacts, we often have micro or nano diamonds that exist in these Urelites. Now, you can't really see them with the naked eye most of the time. You have to look at them under a microscope, and they're very low quality. They're not gemstone quality like the things we would find in mine on Earth. At least we've not found anything like that to this point. But there are indeed diamond fragments in Urelites like these, which is just a fascinating thing to think about, are these diamonds forming naturally out in space and finding their way to Earth. The sample you're looking at here is a slice from a larger stone that was found in Mali in 2022, and it's really neat to have a sample of this in my collection because less than 1% of all meteorites that are found on Earth are Urelites. So there's not a lot of those in existence to be found and studied, and it's also just a visually unique type of meteorite to look at on the inside. You have that dark carbonaceous background, and then you have the little bitty flecks of metal and even those nanodiamonds that are shining that we can look at and admire and learn about some of the early state of the cosmos on these differentiated bodies, these protoplanets. There are lots of types of meteorites that hold all sorts of different things to learn about. If you want to learn more about those, like and follow my channel here, and I've got a lot more to show you.